The rigs are whirring in the background. I am Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and today I come to you from the Ashburton Gold Project, which is owned by Kalamazoo Resources. Standing next to me is the recently appointed Exploration Director, Ben Ackermann. Ben, what an adventure I'm on today. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here, Shay. Great opportunity.
Any chance to get out and talk rocks in the field away from the desk. Let's talk about the rigs. I know just before I came up here, a 14,000 metre drill program was underway. We've got proof of life down here happening. Mates, what's happening on site right now while I'm up here?
Well, Shay, we've expanded our capability on site, so we've got 4 rigs currently operating, 2 diamond, 2 RC. We've built a camp which gives us a whole lot more capability on site. About 40 people, and look, what this is all about is supporting the pre-feasibility study and then additional work into the mineral resource estimate. So 14,000 metres in total, we're about halfway through.
So what are you hoping to achieve overall for the course of the year?
Well, it's a big year actually. So we'll do the initial resource infill program. That'll take up the next few months. That'll go on to deliver a mineral resource estimate later in the year. Then we get back on the growth, and that's the exciting phase of the project. So we're trying to prove up the down plunge extents of Mt Olympus and further grow that high grade underground potential.
Now, I know the rigs are currently working on Mt Olympus at the moment, and this is going to be your main focus for the year, but you've got quite a few satellite projects around here. Will you be looking at them anytime soon?
Yeah, absolutely, Shay. So you can see them actually over my shoulder here. We've got Zeus and Waugh, 2 historic pits from the SEPA mining days, and we have another one as well, Peake. So those 3 satellites are really the opportunity to grow the resource base and build out the life of mine. So the next phase for us is to start drill testing those, which will happen in the next quarter.
Now, normally I ask a geologist at a conference what their favourite rock is, but there's plenty of rocks around, so it's probably hard to have a favourite. Now that I'm up here seeing this project with my own eyes, what's sort of your favourite place to be? Where's your favourite area around here?
Well, it's right here, Shay. It's right here, and to be honest, it's the reason I joined the project and the company, because from here you can see how much potential there is in the Ashburton. There's over 30 kilometres of strike extent of the project, and the prospective structures and host rocks that are still yet to be tested. So previous exploration really focused on the shallow oxide component of these systems. So we have the capacity and the targeting that will take us into the sulphide. So that really opens up the whole field.
All right, Ben, well, I know we've got lots more to see around here. This is just a glimpse of the whole project. Thank you so much for your time today, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
Thanks, Shay.